Bamboo shoots, also known as bamboo sprouts, are the tender new growth of the bamboo plant and are considered to be a nutritious food with various health benefits. Bamboo shoots are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great option for those who are looking to lose weight or prevent obesity. One of the main reasons bamboo shoots can aid in weight loss is due to their low calorie content. 100 grams of bamboo shoots contain only 19 calories, making them an ideal food for people who are trying to limit their calorie intake. Furthermore, bamboo shoots are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and reduce your overall food consumption. This can help you avoid overeating and reduce your calorie intake, which can lead to weight loss. Another way that bamboo shoots can help with weight loss is by boosting your metabolism. Bamboo shoots are rich in antioxidants, which can help to increase your body's metabolic rate and promote weight loss. In addition, bamboo shoots are also a good source of protein, which can help to build and maintain lean muscle mass. This can help to increase your metabolism and burn more calories, even when you are at rest. Bamboo shoots can also help to prevent obesity by regulating blood sugar levels. Bamboo shoots are low in carbohydrates and have a low glycemic index, which means that they do not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This can help to prevent cravings and overeating, which are common triggers for weight gain and obesity. In addition, bamboo shoots can help to improve digestion, which can also aid in weight loss. Bamboo shoots are high in fiber and prebiotics, which can help to improve the balance of good bacteria in your gut and promote a healthy digestive system. This can help to reduce bloating and improve your overall digestive function, which can aid in weight loss. Bamboo shoots can also help to reduce inflammation, which is a known risk factor for obesity and weight gain. Bamboo shoots are high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body and promote weight loss. To prepare bamboo shoots for optimal health benefits, follow these steps. Rinse the bamboo shoots thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Boil or steam the shoots for 10 to 15 minutes to remove any bitterness and make them easier to digest. Cut the shoots into thin slices or dice them for use in stir-fries, soups, or salads. To retain their nutrients, try not to overcook the bamboo shoots and avoid using high heat or excessive oil when cooking. Bamboo shoots are low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a healthy addition to any diet. In conclusion, bamboo shoots can be a great addition to a healthy diet for those who are looking to lose weight or prevent obesity. With their low calorie content, high fiber content, and ability to regulate blood sugar levels, boost metabolism, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation, bamboo shoots can be a valuable tool for those who are trying to achieve and maintain a healthy weight.